Welcome to the live bench evaluation of the Renesas CN051-Smart Rangefinder Solution. The Smart Rangefinder Solution is a handheld development kit designed for precise distance measurement between an observer and a target. Powered by Renesas Time of Flight (TOF) sensor IC, it ensures seamless wireless control and accuracy. With BLE connectivity and advanced TOF technology, it enables applications in smart agriculture, obstacle detection, and warehouse inventory management. The evaluation setup comprises the CN051-Smart Rangefinder Development Kit, a moving obstacle, and a smartphone running the Dialog Smart Console app. The range measurement is transmitted via Bluetooth from the development kit to the smartphone and displayed in the app. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the live bench evaluation, and this section on the right displays the evaluation output. Use this option to connect to the Smart Console app. The object can be placed anywhere between 14 centimeters to 179 centimeters to assess the range accurately. Users can adjust and place the object at a specific location to measure the range. Track the moving object's position and compare the measured range with the physical scale for verification. The Dialog Smart Console app is connected to the Smart Rangefinder Development Kit via Bluetooth and displays the measured range. Watch the live video stream of the Smart Rangefinder Development Kit. If the Smart Rangefinder device fails to connect to the console app, use this option to reconnect. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant chatbot to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the data sheets. Here is an example. The Progress Log window provides information and logging on all live bench activities. The Assist Me feature provides additional information about the evaluation flow. The user manual and other additional information can be accessed from the hamburger icon here. You can also choose to evaluate other interesting live bench designs by clicking on the Home button here. Thank you and happy evaluation!